Well, this is a new one. Our man in the black truck up there literally just wind sprinted into the bathroom. Left the door open, left the truck running, just left it sitting there. I'm guessing my man's having a little bit too much of that Miami fun. Nothing like some high quality Miami lines like we see coming off the back of this boat here. Welcome back, guys, to the greatest show on earth, and that is the Miami Boat Ramps channel. I'm your host, Broncos Guru, in collaboration with our boy Wavy Boats, and today we are back down visiting 79th Street. So our crew is going to do the walk-on approach as they try and get their sea hunt on the trailer. Pretty safe approach on a day like today, but we're drifting off the trailer just a little bit. As you can tell, the wind and current's pushing from right to left across the screen. We'll get a little kick. They seem like they're way off, though. That nose, I think, missed the front guide. Probably going to have to push this one back off and try it again. And here comes our guy with the high-quality lines. Looks like he's tired of waiting for the boat behind him. Nope, our boys are going to pull out too. We're going to get the double pull out at the same time. And that might create a little mischief for our guy here in the larger vessel trying to go around him. No, he looks like he's going to sneak out just a little ahead of our crew. Just get by him. Oh, our guy in the trailer coming into the same spot is going to hit the dock. Bro, stop. He hits the dock, backing down the trailer. Oh, my. And he's getting out of the truck like, what I hit? Oh, bro. And it looks like our Stingray is going to be able to sneak out of here. And let's see if the guys that were pulling out at the same time have the same kind of luck here. And here we go. They're going to have to do the old U-turn to try and get out. And we're going for the turn. Everybody smiles, ready for a fun day out on the bay. And I think these smiles are about to turn. It looks like we've got some kind of mechanical malfunction. So Cap's working on it, trying to figure it out. There we go. It looks like it's running again. Little brake check. Did it stall out again? It's tough to tell. And so we've got the sidearm quarterback here jumping in. It looks like he had the choke up. He's trying to fix it. And we're going to get pushed to the side. Move on over, bro. El Capitan coming through. So he's going to try and get it restarted. It looked like he pushed down the choke, so it looked like my man was trying to take off with the choke going, and it was kind of flooding the motor. Now they could have an issue where it's flooded a little bit and they're trying to get it restarted, it looks like. Well, I can't tell if it's restarted or in gear. It's one of the two. Now, here's always the interesting one up for debate. Let me know in the comments below, because I already know in my head where this one's going as well. In most normal boat ramps and most situations, if I was having mechanical troubles like this with my vessel, I would probably get it back over to the dock. Even if I get it started at this point, probably going to take it back to the dock, try and see what the heck's going on. Not here in Miami, bro. If she's running, we're rolling out. And I got a feeling it's the same deal. If this crew even gets it started, they're not going to care what's wrong. They're just going to roll out, and it'll be Cito's problem later. So they're still working on it, but let me know in the comments below what you think. Will this crew go back to the dock and inspect their issue, or if it starts, we just gun it and we get out of here? So they are still working on it. Whatever it is giving them some kind of fit. But you kicked homeboy out of the saddle, man. So El Capitan, who's here now, has to get it rolling. He's committed. And there we go. We've got it started. And now the moment of truth. Do we take her back to the dock, try and figure out what's going on, or we just take our lives in our own hand and head out into the bay? And I don't know. We might get a dock stop. They're slow rolling it. Now he's going to gun it a little bit right here. And no, they're not even looking at the dock. My man's going to take off, and they're just going to get out of here. Well, good luck to you, players. I hope you enjoy your day of fishing. Yeah, I would have went to the dock. For some reason, some people just like to do things the hard way. Kind of like our guy you're going to see in the boat with the black bimini top here. Not the towboat backing out, but here in a moment you'll see our guy. He's down there in the water chilling. They're trying to push the boat over on the trailer, but he's like chest deep in the water trying to do this, man. On one of the slickest ramps in the world, he can't get any traction to push this thing doing that. I mean, it would be significantly easier to do this from the dock with a line, but no, my man has decided, why do things the easy way when the hard way exists? I mean, he can barely stand up. He just fell. So they're going to try backing this down again, and I'm assuming one more time, our guy is going to put his shoulder into it and not move this boat anywhere. But, I mean, I guess boating's not for everybody, right, guys? And here we go, and same result. Gonna be a long day for this crew. And here we go, the old U-Haul jet ski boys back at it again down here at 79. And typically we know when we see the U-Haul truck pull up, we might as well take a watch because we may get a show. So our guy, pulling it off the trailer running. And of course we're just going to put it on the concrete. Why bother with any lines? That stuff's for the plebes. Oh, here's my line, my boy. And we'll go get the other one, and I'm assuming the same thing. We'll just let this one float over here next to the other one. So there we go. He's going to try and pull it off. Give it a couple jet ski pumps and get her taken care of. I wonder if the free means the ski is free. And he just tosses something to his boy up there. Here we go. Second ski is free as well. Oh, my man just slid down the ramp as he's trying to get in. Let's see if the U-Haul can get off the ramp then, because the tires are kind of in the water. Here we go. Gets a little slide action, but nothing too serious. Gets some dry traction. And we're just going to drag the trailer light. What in the world is going on with that trailer? But they're out of here, and so are we. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you enjoyed this episode of Miami Boat Ramps. If you did, please check out our other content. We have Wavy Boats, who does a bunch of great things down at Haulover Inlet. My channel, Broncos Guru, do some great comedy boating videos there as well. And of course, we got Boats vs. Haulover, where man and machine take on Mother Nature down at Haulover Inlet. And if you guys haven't already, go ahead and drop an anchor on the subscribe button here.